How to fix notification sounds issue after iOS 17 update. So for that, you can just come to your settings of your iPhone, and then you have to scroll down until you see this option of notifications and just click this option. Now over here you have to make sure that you have turned on your notifications. Like for example, if you are facing this problem for a specific app, for example for 8-ball pool, you have to click the option of 8-ball pool, or the menu section you have to just choose this option and click allow notification. You have to turn this on, turn this into green, and here you can just choose sounds and turn this sounds option on. And here you have this announce notification option, turn this on if you want to. And that's how you change your notification issue settings. And just do this for all the apps that you feel are not getting notifications off. And if you are done with this step and you still don't get the notification option, just scroll your screen from above downwards, and here you can see that this is your control center. Make sure that your do not disturb is turned off by clicking this moon option. Just click this and you should have this focus option. That means your do not disturb is now off, and now you should get notifications. And if you still don't get any notifications, just try restarting your phone and the issue would be resolved. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.